Hey YouTube, so today I'm finna be teaching you how to get loud on Chromebook using bandlab. Cause all the other shit on Chromebook is kind of ass. Like I'm Studio, I tried using that didn't work. So basically, let's get right into the video. Let me show y'all. Uh, you're gonna go to bandlab.com, right? And then when it asks you if you want voice audio or all the other shit, you're gonna say voice/audio. Uh, and then you're gonna go to effects. You're gonna add one gain at the top. You're gonna turn it all the way up. Wait for that to load. You're gonna add a graphic equalizer. By the way, the only reason I'm gonna end it right here is because you actually get lower the more gains you get, so you got to use a low amount of gains because it just makes a lot of static and it's not really loud. Okay, so you're gonna go to your microphone. It could be any microphone. It could be a mic jack or the regular default Chromebook, but it could just be any mic. So you're gonna turn that up. You're also gonna turn this up on BandLab. You're gonna you're gonna download this thing called Sound Enhancement. It should make you louder. It's probably the best volume booster you can get. So then you're gonna turn the reverb all the way up. Make sure the mic all the way up. Yeah, so we're gonna turn the reverb and mic all the way up. And now I'm finna play it right here to show you. Boy, yeah, they got tayo kami got smacked by a team sniper, boy, you want to do the show. If you didn't hear it, I think that was because my mic was too loud. Cause I tried recording this before and I still didn't hear it. But I'm pretty sure it's because the mic is too loud. But you should be able to hear it on this one because I'm finna. These are speed sets. They're not just loud. They're just for speed packing. We're gonna use like 5 gains. All right. So I got my sound enhancement turned up and my mic all the way up. So let's try this. If you hear it, it's a little bit lower. You guys saw my show. Your grandma got messed up my phone with 2 people to So those are some basic sets on Chromebook if you want to get loud or if you want to speed pack somebody. But I suggest using the first one if you're like really trying to blaze somebody. Like if you're trying to like over talk a nigga, just use that. So basically you hop in a voice call, right? Let that load. So you wait till this load and then you hop in a voice call. It can be any voice call, just hop in the voice call. And then you switch tabs, you turn this shit on right here. And then like you start loud mic and make sure you got everything turned up on your computer. That's how your grandma got messed up the word, boy. Yeah, so BandLab isn't that loud on your side, but it's loud on the other person's side. So I suggest using this if you're trying to pack somebody. But that's the point of the video today. I'm finna end it. All right, but I suggest y'all use the sets at the start, and I'm finna give y'all the link to sound enhancement, the sound enhancement equalizer. All right, see you YouTube.